you want to recover your skin from dark spots and acne? Well, keep watching. Annyeonghaseyo! Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Kristen and I am a travel, lifestyle, and beauty vlogger. Make sure you hit the subscribe button so you can keep up with me as I travel the world and try new things. You guys all know SOMEBYMI. Well, they are the super popular Korean skincare brand that made the 30 Days Miracle Toner and Cleanser. You guys all know that acne is my #1 enemy. And I'm so happy that they came out with the Snail Truecica Miracle Repair Serum. So I've been using this product and I've seen an amazing result. But before we get into my review, let's take a moment to appreciate the beautiful packaging that the serum has. So this is how the box looks. It's shiny and beautiful. And let's open it. So it comes with this jar, and then on top you have the pump. It comes out so easy. Did you guys know that people get actual snail facials? That's right, they let snails crawl through their face because the snail mucin has a lot of benefits. One is because the glycolic acid in the snail mucin produce collagen and elasticin, which helps even out skin tone and keep the surface smooth. Which is why, you know, if you're as early as 20 or a little bit like 19, you should start taking care of your skin and moisturizing it. And you can do it with the snail serum. But now, as we get older, we lose collagen, so we need to constantly maintain our youth and keep our skin healthy, and the snail serum has been helping me with it. Now that I'm in my mid-20s, actually almost late 20s, I want to keep myself looking young. I can make that possible with the help of the new SOMEBYMI Snail Miracle Serum. This product is so amazing. It's all in one. It's anti-wrinkle, helps with skin whitening, so if you have acne scars, this is a huge help. So it contains natural BHA and white willow bark extract for a smoothing, exfoliating effect. So are you wondering if the serum is sticky? Not at all. It dries right away and is very light, and it goes soft on skin. So let me show you. So I'm gonna be putting this on my hand. So this is how it looks on the hand. I love the texture of this because it's not sticky, like I said earlier. So you can put this in the morning, even behind your makeup. You can use it as a primer. Oh, look, it's already dry. I love how this product is not sticky. My other serums are either super oily or super sticky, which is the reason why I don't put moisturizer in the morning. If I put moisturizer behind my makeup, my face tends to look a little bit more cakey. If you use this, it's not a problem at all. It gets absorbed by your skin easily and it will dry right away. Let's do a little sample, okay? So you all saw that I put this here. Let's use the regular foundation that I normally use on top. So I put it like that, and it mixed so well. You don't even need to spend a lot of money on primer because you have this serum. You need to use a primer before your makeup because this serum does it all and moisturizes your face while you put on your glam. As usual, because of the products I put on my hair, I get acne on my cheeks, and also probably because from all the stress that I've been going through. But no worries, this is here to rescue you. This is how my skin looked like before, and this is how my skin looks like now. Now you can see that my skin tone has started to even out. I used to have a lot of acne scars and my cheeks were so dark. I had to cover myself in really super thick makeup. But now there are days I even go out without my makeup. So now let me show you how you use this on your skin. So I'm now in my pajamas ready for some skincare prep. Let me show you guys how we'll apply this on the skin. So if you have oily skin like me, we're just gonna do a light tapping. I'm gonna go put this on my hand. Little goes a long way, so this little, as you can see, I can put it all over my face, and then in a few seconds it's gonna dry. So just tap lightly like this. Boom, I feel it already. It's so dry. If you have dry skin, you need to put a little bit more, so I would suggest to go add another layer and go do this. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn the notification bell on so we can go on new adventures together. See you guys soon in my next video.